We're on our way to the Orange Dot Quilt Shop located in Paso Robles, which is in Central California, not far from the coast. This shop opened in July 2021 by Dora Carey, a quilt maker and a pattern designer. It's easy to find, just off Highway 101, and has a large spool of orange thread holding up the Orange Dot sign. When you walk past the sign, you'll see a colorful, welcoming mural near the front entrance. The shop is small but makes use of every inch of space with fabrics, patterns, and notions. They have a unique selection of quilting fabric that echoes their motto: fresh, modern, and different. Samples of some of their best-selling quilt patterns are hanging directly across from the store entrance. The quilt on the left doesn't look like a beginner pattern, but it's very easy to make as it's all squares. You can buy kits for these at their Etsy shop. They also have a wall filled with original patterns under the Orange Dot name that can be purchased on their website. You'll find links to these below. The day I visited, I was helped by the owner's daughter, Carla, who was working on a tote bag using one of her mom's patterns. The bag comes in different sizes, and they sell kits for these in the store and online. You might decide to try designing your own bag using one of these Japanese canvas prints. They also carry cotton, rayon, and toweling fabric. I just had to take a photo of this Charlie Harper fabric, as I'm a fan of his nature prints, and I grew up in Cincinnati, where he was a town favorite. Samples of other quilts made from Orange Dot patterns are scattered about. The Heat Wave quilt pattern can be purchased separately, or you can buy a kit. It comes in different sizes and fabric color groupings. Other patterns include this llama. Use it as a pillow or as a quilt. Here's the City Girl pattern and quilt kit. You'll find these cute embroidery sets by the Notion wall. I was truly inspired by all the fabric and beautiful artwork in this shop. I had a difficult time deciding on a purchase. I loved this baby quilt panel, but decided to look for yardage for an upcoming project. Carla was so patient with me and helped me pick out the floral fabric with the aqua tone on tone. The other two fabrics I'll be using for notebook covers. I'm looking forward to making this tea cozy from the kit I purchased. What's better than shopping for fabric? Making something beautiful with your purchases. Here are some of the notebook covers that I made with that pink and green fabric, along with some scraps that I had at home. I'm still working with the floral fabric that I purchased. I can't wait to share my finished project. Stay tuned for this and for more quilting adventures. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our videos with your friends. Don't forget to sign up for updates and free patterns at LearnHowToQuilt.com. Thanks.